Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to the daily Hindu analysis from the prelims perspective. Guys, today is 3rd of May. Let us start with our analysis. The very first topic is, you can see here, Prajwal booked for rape, lookout notice issued. So what are lookout notices you need to prepare? Okay, so exactly what are these lookout notices? Who can give these lookout notices? When can they give lookout notices? This you need to prepare. Next, law and order, a state subject, says Supreme Court on Bengal. So what are state subjects? What are there in state subject? What are there in union subject? What are there in concurrent list? So this is very, very important. Next, CBI and ED. Okay, what is their mandate? Okay, you need to prepare that. Next, you can see from the map perspective, you can see here, India protests Chinese road construction in the POK Valley. So you can see some of the map points, Shaksham Valley, and you can see Siachen Glacier. These two, okay, needs to be prepared from the map perspective. Very, very important. Next, guys, from the environment, removing exotic plants. So what are exotic plants? Why they are of concern? Then they have given one species here. You can see black wattle. Okay, and you need to prepare elephant corridors. Elephant corridors are very, very important, guys. These days, man-animal conflict, particularly elephant-man conflict, are increasing in southern India, Western Ghats. So this topic is very, very important from the map perspective and also from the concept perspective. Next, guys, you can see here, West Bengal Governor Anand Bose accused of sexual harassment. Here, you need to prepare this aspect, Article 361, which grants immunity to governor against any criminal proceedings while they are in serving. Okay, next, POSCO objective cannot be ignored by okay. Supreme Court says, so what is POSCO law? Every day I am giving you one law to prepare. What is POSCO law? Next, center to train state police for new criminal laws. So guys, you all know that the Indian Penal Code 1860, Code of Criminal Procedures 1973, and Indian Evidence Act 1872, all these three have been, okay, replaced by new progressive legislation. So in this context, Government of India is giving training to the state police through iGot platform. What is this iGot platform? You need to prepare that. Next, guys, what is this P versus NP problem? What is this P versus NP problem? So this will be asked in term type. Do not read in depth. Just prepare what is this meaning and in which sector it is used. Next, liquid hydrogen in foods. What is liquid hydrogen? What are the dangers of consuming liquid hydrogen? Very important. Next, guys, one scheme, PMJ scheme. See, whenever you prepare scheme, you have to prepare what is the objective of the scheme, what is the aim of the scheme, then who are the beneficiary of the scheme, beneficiary of the scheme. These things you need to prepare. Next, why are Indian spices facing the heat? Here, you need to prepare all these chemicals, all these things, okay, because of which, okay, our spices are getting rejected. Okay, reasons for rejection. What are these? Please prepare this and also prepare this ethylene oxide. What are ethylene oxide? Why it is used? What are the negative aspects of ethylene oxide? And also prepare the role of FSSAI. Okay, prepare this. Okay, so guys, for today, these were some of the very important aspects from the prelims perspective. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.